If I don't hurry up and get this video filmed, it's never going to get filmed. So I've been having trouble of trying to figure out a way to present it to you. Anyway, because there's always like 5 different ways to tell you about a project. Anyway, I want to make some shaving kits, or I thought that that would be a good gift idea. But as you can see, this is quite large for a shaving kit. So it unzips. But I think that this would be a good gift. Now, I showed it to my boyfriend to get his opinion, and he said there's no pockets in it. So what are you going to do with it? So first, I'm going to start at the beginning, and there you go. So it is quite big. So this measures 19 inches, and this is folded in half. So full length would be 31 by 19 this way, 31 this way. So as you can see, you need to cut out a rectangle. This measures 2.5. This measures 4.5. So in order to get it in the middle, I folded it in half again and marked my 4.5 length this way. There is 1,000 videos on how to make this style of bag, only it's all exactly the same way. Some are smaller, they're all different sizes. So that is the size that I made. So you have your print fabric. Isn't that cool with all the license plates? This is actually like a canvas, a decorator. I got it out of a home decor section, and I've used almost every little bit of it. So you're 19.5, 31 inches long. If it was folded in half, it would look like that. Same as the paper. All right. So you should probably interface this. Then for the lining, I just used twill or cotton. I quilted it, and I got some bubbles in it. Anyway, so I quilted that. And then you sew the zipper on these long ends of the, you sew it on here first, the zipper, and then you sew your lining on. But because my boyfriend said there's no pockets in it, did I say that part already? I think so. Because it's so large, if you put a bunch of stuff in here, it's all going to fall to the bottom. So in order to solve this issue, which is now, before you sew your lining to the front, you put your pocket in. So I put them on the side, and I put this elastic in here. Look, you can't even see. So I sewed elastic, 2 pieces. I didn't stretch it or anything. So now I am going to, and you just sew the handle in. I used a piece of twill, is that what it's called? That's not what it's called, but I can't think of the word right now. So you just sew it in when you do your box corner, basically. but it's already all cut out for you. So you can see tutorials on how to make this style bag anywhere. So I thought it would be more fun, because I think this would make a nice gift. This is quite large. You could put a towel and face cloth or a set of hand towels in here and some body wash. So I drug out a whole bunch of stuff out of the bathroom to see how much stuff will actually fit in here. So you can tell whether this would be something you would like to give as a gift. It would make a nice gift, I think, because you could put body washes and you could buy them in those kits and put it right in there. You could just put a pair of pajamas or a t-shirt and underwear, socks, you name it, and it would be a great gift. I think that would depend. And I have 2 prints that would be more than suitable for this style of bag. I should probably show them to you. But yeah, so out of 1 meter fabric, you'd be able to make 2 of these if you use something different for the lining. All right, so I threw everything in a laundry basket, and I'm going to try not show you brand names. And I probably should lower you down a little bit so you can see. Let's see. That might work. Maybe. Alright, so this is the top of the bag. So I do have a towel, but I want to see. So I got some body wash. I'm going to plunk it into the... Oh, the cat likes to be in the laundry basket. So I put that in with the elastic. So that worked pretty good. And we have some deodorant in the pocket. We have some shaving cream that might sit right on the side. We have just, we'll pretend that this is shampoo or something. We have some toothpaste. We have a comb. Let's see if that fits in the pocket here. Doesn't, does it? Yes, it does. We have a face cloth. And we have a bath towel. So let's put all that in here. And they're good. You could still put more in there. So it holds quite a bit. So this is a regular size towel. It's quite large. Face cloth. Shaving cream. Some shower gel. Big thing of toothpaste. And actually everything doesn't rattle around in there. So we'll pretend it's mousse. We've got this little pocket here that has a comb and yes, lots fits in this bag. So now I gotta put this all back in the bathroom. Yes, and that would probably hold underwear and socks along with that stuff. No problem at all. I think that that would make a nice gift for somebody. Geez, you could call that an overnight bag. Pajamas, change, well, at least undergarments and t-shirt, your pajamas, and all your shower stuff will fit in there no problem. It's a nice size little bag. So the measurements again, I'm gonna have to move the cat, is 19, and then with this unfolded would be 31 inches. So you fold it in half, and then you cut out your square, because it's on both ends. And then when you unfold it, looks like that, if you were wanting to make it. So really you just need like a twill or something, like a cotton for the inside, and if you want to make it waterproof, then you could use that odicoat to paint on it. Now I'm completely out of it because I used it all. I'm gonna have to order some more, but I knew I wouldn't get it in time to do this video. So when you fold it in half, this is 2.5, 4.5, and 2.5. 4.5 right here. And I just fold it in half. So, and you just do half of 4.5, which is 2.25, and measure from there, and then when you unfold it, you have your 4.5 right there. And the zipper goes on either end here. But yes, and I quilted the inside of mine, so you need some kind of padding, your lining. Aren't you helpful? So I hope you think that that would be a good gift idea. I think it is. You could certainly put a lot in this for like a set of pajamas or something, and would make a great way to store all your shower stuff in, especially if you were staying overnight somewhere. This fabric, which is canvas, that would be a really good choice for making one of those bags. And if you painted the odicoat on it, it would make it waterproof and feel like oilcloth. And I also have this ripstop fabric camouflage, which would make a really good bag for a gentleman male person, or anyone for that matter. So I hope you enjoyed that. The handle, I just made it a little bit wider than from here to here. I just kind of guessed it, and fairly straightforward. And the elastic that I put in here, can't even find it, I just sewed it across the bottom. I didn't stretch it, so that way if you put something in there, it'll hang on to it and it won't bang around. So I think that turned out pretty good. I'm quite pleased with it. I didn't think it would really be this big, but I'm glad I tried it, and I think it'll make a nice gift. And I'll be back in a couple of days with another Christmas idea. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.